Still struggling to find accurate business emails? Stop wasting time. Imagine this. Your sales team is ready, your product is great, you're set to launch a powerful email campaign, but there's one huge problem. You don't have the right email addresses, your list is incomplete, and the wrong emails, they'll kill your campaign before it even starts. But what if you could fix that? CUFinder finds verified, accurate business email addresses fast. No hassle, no bad data, just the right contacts instantly. And the results speak for themselves. 80% increase in email deliverability, 2 times higher email response rates, and fewer bounces, more conversions, and better ROI. Let's take a quick look at how easy it is to use the CUFinder dashboard. First, make sure your list is compatible. Use an Excel or CSV format with column names in the first row and up to 10,000 rows. Once your list is ready, click on Create your first list or new list if you've already created others. Choose the list type and select companies if your list includes company names, domains, or LinkedIn URLs. Name your list and upload your file. Just drag and drop or select from your computer. On the next page, review the data CUFinder has read from your file. You can easily delete any incorrect or unnecessary rows. Now click Enrich and select Find Business Email Address. Choose the column you want enriched, like company domains or LinkedIn URLs. For this service, 1 credit per row, and if CUFinder can find the data, you won't lose any credits. Click Run Action and watch CUFinder work its magic. Once the process is complete, verified business emails will appear right next to your company data. Finally, download your updated file by clicking the download button at the top right of the dashboard. And that's it! Stop wasting time with incomplete, inaccurate data. With CUFinder, you'll reach the right people every time. Ready to supercharge your outreach and close more deals? Let's get started!